This is the Phoenix eRD website. I have logged in as a researcher and I would like to create a new project submission. So I click the Create Project Submission button and select Initial Review Type. Most studies in VA are human subjects research, but if I'm not sure whether my study can be classified as such, then I can click the link to Research Determination Checklist that will help me determine the study type. Let's say I know that my study is a retrospective chart review, which is a type of human subjects research. So I will choose Study Type Human. The next question asks if my study deals with human data only. Since my study is a chart review that doesn't involve physical interaction with human subjects, I will answer yes and click the next link. This link opens a screen asking for some key information on my project submission and a few questions to help me determine whether some optional forms for study type human are needed in my particular study. The first key information is the name of the submission that I will fill out as the PI's last name and a couple of short keywords. Then I will type in the formal study title. I will also fill out my name as the last and first name of the PI. When I press enter, eRD will automatically link to my VHA account. Since I'm also the point of contact, I will also enter my name in the next field. An initial submission does not have an assigned project number until it is submitted, so I will skip the next field. Then there are some questions on optional forms. Let's say that my chart review study doesn't use any patient care service, such as radiology or surgery, so I will leave this checkbox unchecked. But I know that this study involves transferring some data to another entity, so I will need the data use agreement form. If so, then I will check this checkbox. And since the project doesn't produce limited data sets, I will not check the last checkbox. After I finish with this page, I click OK. At this point, eRD is retrieving all the necessary documents from my study according to the information I've given. When done, eRD will display the project submission page with all the information that I've entered in and also all the documents that I need for my study. The documents I need to fill out to submit this project are in Document Type Submission. A couple of forms are automatically classified as administrative forms for R&D office staff and committees to fill out. Once all the forms are completely filled out, I will click this image to start the approval process. eRD will then assign a project number and notify me as a PI and or POC, as well as R&D office staff that project has been submitted for review.